In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Suno AI and edit your favorite song. This process is straightforward, but we'll take it step by step to ensure there are no hiccups along the way. First, you want to start by logging into Suno AI. If you're new to the platform, head over to the Suno AI website and look for the login button, which is typically found at the top right-hand corner of the page. Enter your login credentials, which should include your email address and a secure password. Make sure you input these details correctly, as typos could prevent you from accessing your account. Once you're logged in, you should be taken to your dashboard. Now, let's find the song you want to work on. In your dashboard or library, scroll through your list of songs, or use the search bar if you have a long list. Clicking on the song will open it up in the editing interface. This is where the magic happens. On the interface, you'll see an editing panel that allows you to modify different aspects of the song. It's here that we can get creative. You can choose to adjust the vocals, perhaps by increasing their clarity or changing the texture. Maybe you want to play around with the instruments, adding depth or even removing some layers to create a version more suited to your preference. Don't forget to explore the effects as well. They can dramatically change the atmosphere of your track. While editing, you'll notice there are options to adjust additional elements like the volume, pitch, or timing. The volume adjustment can be crucial in balancing out the mix, ensuring that nothing overshadows the vocals or instruments you want to shine. Tweaking the pitch allows you to subtly shift the key, which can be great for personalizing the song or improving harmony. Timing adjustments can help align elements in the song that might feel a bit off, ensuring a tight and professional sound. Once you're satisfied with all your changes, it's time to save your work. Double check everything to ensure that your edit matches your vision. You don't want to lose any of that hard work, so hit save and double check if there's a prompt confirming that your changes have been successfully stored. Finally, the last step is exporting your updated song. Look for the export option. This may allow you to choose the file format and quality for your exported track, so choose the settings that best suit your needs. With everything saved and exported, you should now have a freshly edited song ready to share or enjoy. Always ensure you listen to the exported version just to confirm everything sounds as intended. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.